हो गया प्यार चार काट लो सब इसमें ग्रीन अंडर जेन के ग्रीन ड्राइव है ना, ये हमारे लाखों में हमें इसमें लगाना है, पेड़ों की तादाद है ना। तो हमने यहाँ करना तहसील में हमारे रेंज में हमने लगभग 3-4 ड्राइव अभी तक कर लिए हैं, जिसमें हमने लगभग 800-900 प्लांट्स लगा लिए हैं। जिसमें
सक्सेसफुल हो रहा है आपका ये प्रोग्राम?
ये तो हर एक जगह पे सक्सेसफुल ही है, और इसमें अवेयरनेस भी देते हैं हम हर एक, खासकर हम स्कूलों में देते हैं बच्चों को, है ना। तो ये तकरीबन हर जगह पे सक्सेसफुल ही है।
टाइम में आने वाले टाइम में जो है आप ऐसे ड्राइव
हर टाइम में हो जाएगा। ये हमारा 2 टाइम में इसका ड्राइव होता है, नवंबर दिसंबर में और ये फरवरी मार्च में। ये तो एक अंडर ग्रीन जैन के को ग्रीन बनाने के लिए ड्राइव हर जगह पे करना है, और जो ग्लोबल वार्मिंग है ये इस वक्त बढ़ रही है, उसको कंट्रोल करने के लिए ये हर जगह पे कर रहे हैं। आप क्योंकि पोल्यूशन बढ़ रहा है, पोल्यूशन को कंट्रोल करने के लिए ग्रीनरी बहुत ज़रूरी है, इसीलिए जेन के ड्राइव हम हर जगह कर रहे हैं। और कोई और कहीं पब्लिक पार्क कहीं भी कोई भी डिमांड करेगा उसके लिए हम तैयार कर दिए।
किस स्कूल में आपने?
में GMS बागबल में, गबरा हाई सेकेंडरी में, टाड हाई सेकेंडरी में।
I'm Khushbu Amjad from class 7th. Today I am telling about importance of plantation. Plants are very useful to us. They reduce soil erosion and also help us purify the air, as well as to plants reduce the effects of global warming. Thank you.
To all of you, my name is Sania Shafi from Dream Valley Education Institute, Tangdar Karna. Today I am going to tell us about importance of plantation. Plantation is good for our environment. The trees are not make only our soil fertile, but they also generate consciousness in our lives. If we want to protect our civilization and culture, then we must plant and plants. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Sahil Fiaz from class 7. Today we celebrate plantation drive. The air, water and soil pollution can be eliminated by the growth of trees from the atmosphere. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. I am Tawqir Rahman from class 7. Today we celebrate plantation drive day. We celebrate plantation in order to defeat global warming from the earth. Celebrate plantation drive that we have lost our flora and fauna from the earth from past year. Our main motto is to increase the rate of flora and fauna and make our earth a beautiful place for all. Thank you.
Second, the best friend on the earth of man is the tree. He who plants a tree plants a hope. Thank you. To all of you, more pollution can be controlled if we plant more and more trees. Of you, in order to save our environment and ourselves, Earth's green, we must plant as much trees as possible. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Avish Parveen from class 6 Jasmine. Today I will tell you why should we plant trees. We should plant trees because the plant moderate the earth, moderate the impact of the sun and retain the earth by trapping and dust other pollution. Thank you.
Guys, how are you?
I'm on.
My studies are going well.
What are you carried with you?
I carried a plant.
For what purpose you carried a plant?
Tree fairs going on.
Who organized this tree fair?
The Department of Forestry organized the tree fairs
Why,
every year.
Why we celebrate this tree fair?
It's I strange to me. I think you yet fully importance of tree plantation.
You are right. Please tell me about the importance of tree plantation. I want to know about it in detail.
Trees are our best friends. Trees give us shade and shelter. We cannot think of our existence without trees.
But you notice that many people are cutting trees down the random. What might it be consequence?
If they are cut down the tree, our country will one day turn into a desert.
I think I learned the importance of plantation. Thank you so much. Thank you.
In the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most gracious and merciful. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mir Ariban Sir from class 8. Today my topic is plantation. Trees are our best friends. It provides us many things like paper, wood, etc. We should not cut them. Save trees, save plants. Thanks. Have a nice